Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from Andro.com. These are the new Galaxy Buds Plus that I've unboxed. So in this video, let's go ahead and check out some of the best tips for you to get the best experience on the Galaxy Buds Plus. So I actually have two versions like I showed in my unboxing video. So here I have my Galaxy S20 Ultra. So let's go ahead and check out some awesome tips for the Galaxy Buds Plus. If you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and smash the subscribe button right now and let's get started with today's video. The first thing is you need to go ahead and install this Galaxy Wearable App no matter what device you use. So if you use an Android phone like the Galaxy S20 Ultra that I have over here, then you can install the Galaxy Wearable App and then you can go ahead and pick your device and then pair it up onto your device. So I have given it all the permission. So here in the Galaxy Wearable App, you have to pick which device you want to connect to. So I'm going to select the Galaxy Buds Plus over here, and after the setup we are now inside the Galaxy Wearable App to configure the settings for the Galaxy Buds Plus. So as you guys can see at the top, it will show the battery life for each earbud over here. So here the right one has 98% battery life and the left one has 99% battery life, and here I can go ahead and check out if there's an update. So right now there's actually a software update that is available for this, so I can go ahead and install the software update right now or install that later. So I'll do that later. So now let's go ahead and check out some of the features of the app, and let me share with you the things that you can do to get the best experience on the Galaxy Buds Plus. So the first option we have over here is for the ambient sound mode. So you can set it from low to medium to high. So if you do this, it will actually let you hear the outside noise, and that will be done using the microphone that the Galaxy Buds Plus themselves have. So you can make use of that to hear outside noises when you're out and about. If you want to get an alert, you can use this option. If you don't want that, you can easily disable it from here. Next we have the equalizer settings. So if you want it to be bass heavy, you can select the bass boost, or if you want soft sound, you can do that, or if you want it to be clear, you can do that, or if you want treble boost, you can do that from here as well. It's very intuitive for you to use, so the equalizer setting is over there. Next we have the notification settings. So here if you enable this, there is an option for the Galaxy Buds themselves to read out the notification when you're using the phone. So if you do that, every time you get a notification, the buds will tell you what notification it's from, and you can even select what applications you want to get notifications over here. Here we have the touchpad options that are available. So with a single tap you can play or pause a track, with a double tap you can play the next track or answer or end the call, and then we have the triple tap to play the previous track, and finally we have the touch and hold which you can change over here and even decline the call. So you can even lock the touchpad from over here, and you can here change the left and right touch and hold touchpad option for both the left and the right earbud. So here we have the options that you have are voice command, ambient sound, and volume down. So you can change these settings based on what you want. You can make the right one volume up and the left one volume down as well if you want to do that. Then we move into the advanced settings. So here you can use the ambient sound during the call, so you can even hear your voice more clearly when you're on the phone if you enable this option. So you can try that out when you're outside. The next setting is for you to find the earbuds. So here if I want to find my earbuds, if I go ahead and hit on start, as you guys can hear, it will make a small noise. So this sound comes from the buds themselves when you want to find it. So that, I think this is a good feature that Samsung has built into the buds themselves. Next we have the general section. Here basically you have the option to reset the Galaxy Buds if you want to sell them, or if you want to transfer it to someone else, give it to someone else, you can reset it from over there. And then we have the earbuds software update section. Like I mentioned before, if there's a software update, you can install the software update from over here. It's pretty easy. You just have to go ahead and hit on that install button, and the update will be copied to the buds themselves. It's pretty small in size, so it won't take a long time for this to complete. So once the update has been completed, you can use your buds as usual here with your device. So another tip I want to share with you is, if you use an iPhone by any chance, then you can go into the Apple App Store and you can go ahead and search for the Galaxy Buds app here on the Apple App Store. So we have this app for the Galaxy Buds Plus from Samsung itself. So you can go ahead and install this onto your device to get a similar experience here on your iPhone as well. So even if you use an iPhone or whether you use an Android phone, you can get a similar experience here. So that's pretty cool, and it's I think something that must be admired. So here we have the Galaxy Buds Plus app. So let me connect the blue one to my iPhone and show you guys what the process is like. So here I have the Galaxy Buds Plus. So let me connect to this, and now it's connecting to the Galaxy Buds Plus itself. So there's a little warning like we saw before, and now we are all set. And now I have paired my blue Galaxy Buds here onto my iPhone, and we have the same settings over here on the iPhone as well. And there's a lab section over here that I couldn't show before on the Android app because I started that update. But here you can double tap the edge, the edge of this Galaxy Bud to turn down the volume here. So you can tap the edge of the Galaxy Bud on the left one to increase the volume here as well. And if you want high ambient volume, you can enable that from the store over here. So that's about it. Other than that, there's even a about section for your Galaxy Buds. You can see all the serial numbers and all of that. And then if you go into the tips and user manual, you can see how to make use of your buds here with ease, and there's a user manual given over here as well. So whether you use an Android phone or whether you use an iPhone, you can get the best experience here with the Galaxy Buds. So let me know what you guys think about this. I wanted to give you guys a beginner's guide on how to use the Galaxy Buds to the best of your ability and to get the best experience using these tips when you use your Galaxy Buds Plus. If you found this video useful, go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now for more awesome tech videos just like this. Follow me on social media, and definitely check out my other videos on the Galaxy S20 series as well as the Galaxy Buds and even the Galaxy Watch Active here in my channel. And if you're not following me on social media, definitely do so. I'm at Andro Dollar. All the links are given down below in the description, and stay tuned to androdollar.com for all the latest from the tech world. Until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.